Hello. In this short video, we're going to be going over scalars and Perl programming. If you find this sort of content informative, please give it a like, comment with questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel to never miss a future upload. So, what are scalars? Well, a scalar is Perl's simplest data type. It holds exactly one value, so it can be a single number, a single string, or a single reference. Scalar variable names always begin with the $sign character. In this episode, we're going to introduce scalar basics. So what scalars are, how to assign them, how to assign values, and how to print them. We'll get into more advanced behaviors in other videos. So we're going to start by typing in use strict and use warnings. So why are these two things important? Well, these two lines help catch mistakes early. Strict requires declaring variables before using them, and warnings notifies us about questionable code. So note that's the first thing that I did, and that's the first thing I'm going to do in every single one of these Perl videos. So actually declaring scalar variables with the my keyword. So my creates a new variable with lexical or block scope. With strict, every variable must be declared before use. So, for example, we can do my, and then with the $sign name, we can make that equal to Kyle. So this is an example of a scalar containing a string. We can also do one called age. Let's make that equal to 25. This is an example of a scalar containing a number. And then we can do my height. Let's make that 6.1. So this is an example of a scalar containing a floating point number. So how do we print scalar values? Well, when printing scalars, Perl automatically converts their internal value into a string so it can be shown to the user. So all these really act the same. So we can do print name, and then we can pass in the scalar. And to add a new line character, it's simply \n. Then we can do age, pass in age, and we can do print height. Then we can pass in the height scalar. Notice I'm using semicolons at the end of each statement. So first of all, before we compile this, let's check to see that Perl is actually installed. So we can do that just by Perl-V. As we can see here, it prints out some information. If it prints out an error, well, you do not have Perl installed. So check out www.perl.org to get the downloadables for that, as well as some good documentation as well. But to actually run these scripts, it's real simple. You just do Perl, and then you type in the file path of whatever your file is. So I have mine in a folder just in my C drive called Perl examples, and the script is called first script.pl. As you can see, it prints out my name, my age, and my height. Again, if you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to comment. As well, feel free to comment with future video ideas, like the video, and subscribe to the channel to never miss future uploads like this. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.